Hello friends, welcome to a special class on voiced and voiceless sounds. So today we are going to learn about voiced and voiceless sounds. Well, what are voiced and voiceless? Voiced, V. Oh, mark my lips, how I pronounce V, voiced sound. Voiced sound means when you speak that word, when you pronounce that word, your vocal cord vibrates. तमर जो स्वर पेटिका अछि सेटा थरिबाकू आरंभ करियो V. Let's begin with B. This is a voiced. These are all voiced sounds. And when we pronounce B, put your hand, put your palm on your throat. B, it vibrates. So this is a voice sound. Like B, D. This also vibrates. So this is also a voice sound. Like D, G also voice sound. Like M, like G, M is also M and N. These are nasal sounds. Nakkur bhauchi. N sound like king, monkey, M, monkey, money. So these are nasal sound. Nakko deiki ଟିକେ sound ଆସୁଛି ତେଣୁ ଏଟା କହନ୍ତି nasal sound. N, nose, nose. So these are voice sounds. L, your vocal cord vibrates. So this is also a voice sound. N, this is the phonetic transcription of ing sound. This sound, this phonetic transcription is in the lekha jay phonetic transcription. So this is also a nasal sound. This is very vital sound. A sound kariya pai, a sound pronounce kariya very difficult for Indians or non-native English people. जो मानकर मातृभाषा English में, so very difficult. A sound, this phonetic transcription is TH sound. This is called TH sound. What is this TH sound? This is voiced. Open your mouth. दुई दांत भितरे तमरो रखियो जीभको. Then make a sound. This is TH sound. That, these, those, then, these are the sounds. A sound asyo. Then comes, this is another vital sound. This sound, this transcription, this is this sound, this is the sound, like television, vision, collision man dhaka hava. So these are the sounds you make. Then comes R. You know it very well, R sound. Then comes V. This is also voiced. V sound. Don't confuse with B sound. This is B. दुईटा लिप लगेके हम साउंड आरंभ करते B. This is voiced. This is also voiced, but pronunciations are different. केमते हम अलग टाइप रे pronounce करते V. This phonetic transcription is ya. yes, yell, yoke এই সব সাউন্ড ক্রিয়েট হব এই যে ফোনেটিক ট্রান্সক্রিপশন দেখুছ যে টাইপর will pronounce like this yes, yell চিৎকার করিবা, then w, then comes z, zoo, zebra, voice, again voice sounds. So these are the sounds are voiced. Voiced अर्थ जोटा तमर vocal cord vibrate करुच्ची थरिबा आरंभ करुच्ची कहले जो शब्द ताकू voiced कहा जाए. Clear? Then comes voiceless. Voiceless अर्थ এই सब जो हम क्रिएट करिबा এই सब शब्द गुड़िक এই साउंड्स गुड़िक सेटा तमर स्वर पेटिका आदौ थरिबा आरंभ करिबो नाही बा वाइब्रेट करिबो नाही. जेमिति एफ फ फ फ फ फ फ पवन बारी जाउची तो बाहर पळउची कि साउंड होउची थरुनी. सेमति एच एच क क क your vocal cord doesn't vibrate. Then pa pa, this is also voiceless. Sa voiceless कैसे साउंड होने ट ट ट टिक टेस्ट ट्रायल ये सब आम शब्द करके साउंड आसुची कि वाइब्रेट करनी ठीक से भाई ये भी गोटे अनदर इम्पोर्टेंट साउंड वॉइसलेस श हिसिंग साउंड साप भाया शब्द हम कौ सब वर्ड आम प्रोनाउंस करवा ये साउंड रे शिप शीप शिप शिप दीटा जान तुम साउंड पढ़ी पाठ एस एच आई पी शिप जहाज एस एच ई ई पी शिप से साउंड आसो यही शब्द रे एस भाया फोनेटिक ट्रांसक्रिप्शन शिप शूज ये साउंड आसो साप भाया हिजिंग साउंड. Then this is also voiceless. This is theta, theta, as you say, theta sound. Theta sound केमती ना यहाँ ये सब शब्द आसो ये सब साउंड आसो कार think thank 8th. This is also this is th sound. Let me erase all this. Okay, please be clear. This is th sound but voiced. এই শব্দ কলে আমার ভোকাল কর্ড ভাইব্রেট করছে voiced, that, those, there, these are the sounds you make. Then voiceless. Voiceless th sound, this sound. This is also th sound. This is th sound. This is also th sound. But this is voiced. When you make this sound, our vocal cord vibrates. and this is voiceless. When you make this sound, when you create this sound, our vocal cord doesn't vibrate. Thank. तमर दुई ओठर दुई दांतर मझे ताकू जस्ट तम टिके टंग को अल्प बाहर करिवो this sound. Think, thank you. These are the sounds. And this sound is like touch, chest, jaw sound. So these are voiced and voiceless sounds. Then these I have noted down, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So first understand about these 9 sounds. These are very tricky sounds, like z, voice sound z, z, as you make in zoo, voiced. This is as you make, this is also a voice sound, very tricky sound. आमे जो मानकर pronunciation ठीक नहीं बा, आमे जो माने non English people, generally we are non English people, जो मानकर मातृभाषा English नहीं, से माने टिके pronounce करे पे these words, like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this and this one, almost these 9 sounds. So this is used in words, this sound used in words: June, judge, the sound, j, voice sound. This is also, this is a the sound, but voice, this is a very different and difficult sound. Used in television, as you say, television, 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 provision. Okay, so these are decision, 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 confusion. So we make the sounds in those words, as I say. Then this is also important. This phonetic transcription is that, this, those, and this is voiceless. This is voiced. Sorry, this is voiced, but this is voiceless. The vocal cord doesn't vibrate. So we use the sounds in think, thank, thought. This is ya sound, ya, Odia re, ya, yes, yell, mane kon chitkar kariba, party kariba jore, yell, yesterday. So this word I use korse ei sound. How dita ei word chhadi, these words, ei word gudiko chhadi हमरा आउ दुईटी भी शब्द अच्छी, गोटे हैला श्वा, मैं आगु पढ़ी यार आमर ट्यूटोरियल पूर्व श्वा उपर गोटे पाठ पढ़ी, श्वा उपर गोटे स्पेशल ट्यूटोरियल करी, तापर मु डिटेल्स कही व्हाट इज श्वा. This is schwa sound. This is schwa. A schwa sound तम से ट्यूटोरियल देखो या जस्ट पूर्वर ट्यूटोरियल मु देइछि तो क्लिक कर देखो मो वीडियो schwa कौन schwa का को कह जाए schwa is short vowel sound like this is schwa sound. A schwa this is also a little bit longer schwa. This is also schwa but a little bit longer schwa. A sound could he use with bird. Bird, 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 world. A phonetic sound, bird, world, just little bit longer. Schwa, bird, world, word. So these are the sounds associated with these two signs. So friends, we have come to the end of this tutorial. मु भावुची तमे ठीक बुझी पारथियो which are voiced and which are voiceless and तार uses. जदि वीडियो भल लागुची, if you like this video then please like it, share with your friends and also subscribe केम करिवो पाखेर थियो जदि नुआ आछे त सब्सक्राइब करिवो एवं पाखेर थिबा बेल आइकन अछि ताकू भी पुश करिया भूलिबोनी कारण से बेल आइकन को पुश कले मु जहा सब नुआ ट्यूटोरियल्स सब यूट्यूब रे अपलोड करिवि तम पाखु नोटिफिकेशन जीवो हलो तम बुझी परिवो देखि परिवो हां आ गोटे कथा प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू कमेंट गिव योर कमेंट बिलो दिस वीडियो तम केमती लागुची क्लास ठीक रे बुझी परछन नहीं आउ वॉइस्ड बा वॉइसलेस वर्ड्स उपरे बा साउंड्स उपरे जे तम अधिक किछि बुझिया पई चाहुचो ताहले कमेंट देले मु पुनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो अपलोड करिबी ओके देन स्टे ट्यून्ड and stay healthy, stay fit, be confident. पढ़ापढ़ी करो, बाय.